I'm done brushing my hair, I'm going to be sectioning it all the way down the middle. Now these lines don't have to be perfect. Let's start off. Sorry, if I look right here, it's because my mirror's right here. So I'm gonna go from my apex, the top of my head, all the way to the back of my ear. Just gonna comb that out. And the socks that I use, because I don't agree with those big old socks. I mean, I don't mind taking base socks, but sleeping in those kind of hurt, to be honest. So I use a little itty bitty small sock, and I hold this, I stick this at the tip top, and I hold it down because I need some help. Okay, so this is the part that you're gonna be like, how are you gonna stick all your hair in that? Okay, so you have to pull the sock, and then you have a braid, and the first braid has to be super, super tight, and you're gonna pull the sock too. You're gonna wrap outwards, and then you're gonna flip it and pull the sock. And then you're gonna wrap outwards, flip it, pull the sock. Then you're gonna flip it, pull the sock. And then you're just gonna keep going. And eventually you're just gonna be able to wrap your hair around the sock. And then you're going to take this off because you don't need help anymore. Sorry, that's my next hair. And then you're gonna wrap it around. Sorry. And then you're gonna use a bolita or ponytail, and you're just gonna stick it. Boom! I'm gonna brush all this back. And I'm going to do like just my crown. All this will be one, and then I'm gonna split it in two. The middle obviously doesn't matter because it's the middle, so you can either go outwards, inwards, whatever that you prefer, to be honest. So whatever you're comfortable with. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just doing that so there's not a weird line that goes all the way down. Do you get what I'm saying? My 4 pieces, and then my middle piece. Bam! I'll see you in the morning. When you unravel your ponytail, I've seen a lot of videos to where they're just pulling the sock, and I wouldn't do that if I were you, only because you're ruining the curl when you just pull out the sock. When you get the ponytail off, you're gonna start from the bottom and you're gonna find where it starts. You're gonna twist the curl when you take the sock off. You don't want to just pull the sock because you're gonna ruin the curl. And that's what the curl looks like when you take off the sock. So you don't want to like throw your hands through. You just kind of want to bounce it, you know? Separate it. until you get it to your liking. However your little heart desires on how you want it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Let me just, and my hair is like, my hair is long, so when I do something like this, it definitely brings, like it shrinks it. So, I mean, maybe you don't have to sleep in it. You can just do this for like a few hours during the day. So this is what it looks like. Shoot, sorry. Ooh, my light. This is what it looks like up close. And they're really, really, really pretty little. If you guys recreate this look, shoot your girl a comment because I want to know if you tried it and if you liked it. So if you guys like this video, please, please girl, do not be afraid to subscribe and like the video, and I appreciate you. Bye.